Good morning to Maida and my fellow friends. We are from Group 4 and today we are going to present our slides about factors that contribute to a generation of fresh vegetables and how to overcome the food loss occurrence, which will be presented by me, Nurin, Bida, Rahmadi, Safik, and Aiman. Without further ado, let's start with an introduction.
Ending world hunger has always been the goal of many organizations. However, it has been very challenging to be achieved. So based on our previous research, a total of 2,035 stalls at Kundasang Sabah produces around 6.35 kg of organic waste every day, which occurs because of the inefficient usage of inputs. This unnecessary wastage has been holding us back from reaching food sustainability. So this is where the 10 critical operation management decision takes place in strategizing ways to ensure our nation's food sustainability. By applying this critical operation management, it will not only guarantee efficiency, but will also enhance quality and accuracy. This involves organizing, coordinating, managing, and planning numerous operational components in order to maximize effectiveness, efficiency, and accuracy.
Process and capacity design are crucial in the production of fresh vegetables throughout the supply chain. Process design involves creating harvesting methods that minimize damage and maximize freshness, grading and sorting vegetables based on quality and size, creating packaging supplies, and implementing temperature control systems. Capacity design involves setting the ideal amount of capacity for multiple components, considering factors like land, resources, and technology, processing facilities capacity, storage space, and transportation capabilities. By adopting efficient process and capacity design methods, fresh vegetables production can be improved, ensuring minimal damage, quality preservation, and optimal conditions throughout the journey. Managing quality along the supply chain is crucial for producing fresh vegetables. Good agriculture practices include quality seeds, crop rotation, pest management, and fertilization methods. Harvesting vegetables at the right time, post-harvest handling, proper packing and storage, and cold storage extend shelf life. Regular quality control, inspections, and testing are essential to identify problems and maintain high-quality vegetables. Farmers, handlers, and other supply chain participants should receive guidance and training. Traceability systems ensure origin, recall, and consumer confidence in the quality and safety of vegetables. Effective cooperation and communication among farmers, suppliers, processors, distributors, retailers, and consumers are essential for ensuring high-quality fresh vegetables. Accurate inventory management is crucial for maintaining fresh vegetables in the supply chain. To achieve this, demand forecasting, FIFO and JIT delivery, temperature control, traceability mechanisms, and supplier cooperations are essential. Regular surveillance, stock audits, and quality control procedures help identify and solve problems, ensuring continuous supply and customer satisfaction. Implementing these practices can increase food waste and improve accessibility to fresh vegetables.
How supply chain management works? In order to enhance the production of fresh vegetables, an organization should select suppliers based on quality standards and build a reliable relationship with them through open lines of communication, collaborative problem solving, and mutual trust. This will ensure a continuous supply of high-quality vegetables, as well as drive new innovation in the business. Example of new innovation is introduction of new crops that use agricultural techniques and improve crop resistance to pests like caterpillars and mites. By doing this, it will ensure that products and services meet customer expectations and build a competitive advantage for the organization in the market. The next one is how maintenance works. The first one is preventive maintenance is a method to prevent equipment malfunction or breakdowns. By doing regular servicing, cleaning, and calibration, it will help to discover any problems and fix them before they cause expensive disruptions. Meanwhile, corrective maintenance is used after malfunction of the equipment happens by swiftly repairing or restoring equipment to its working state in order to minimize downtime and production losses. Thus, equipment and facilities that have been well maintained typically perform more effectively, resulting in smoother operations and higher production. Furthermore, it can also enhance worker well-being, engagement, and safety. This is because they will feel assured and safe with the equipment that they use, and they can ensure that they are low risk in their work environments since the equipment has been monitored and serviced well.
I'm going to talk about the alternative to overcome food loss. The first alternative is design of goods and services. The strategies that companies can use is balancing food production according to demand is one of way that can reduce waste. Balancing is also a strategy in systemizing food production based on customer demand. This makes an organization not spend a lot of money to produce and reduce waste. Balancing is to cut back the use of natural resources in food production. Natural resources are the ingredients that can be used in production of food such as vegetables. Okay, next, by prioritizing necessities above wants and preparing the necessary meals is a limited amount of time, limiting the amount of food can prevent waste. Setting necessities over wants while limiting food helps to maintain consistency in food production. The crucial elements on which attention must be placed in order to satisfy needs are those. Our organization can avoid wasting a lot of food by meeting customer demand. Wants are the item that require a second party to make a supply because they can only be in a low demand because they are only basic necessities.
Process and capacity design. A design capacity is an organization's maximum ability to complete a specified amount of work in a given time period in the context of capacity planning. The majority of food is generated in the manufacture of food. Therefore, the notions of the 3R, which stand for reduce, reuse, and recycle, is used as a systematic operational method to address the issue. It's a way to cut costs and food waste since organizations tend to believe that food that is not consumed must be thrown away while in reality it may be recycled and used as fertilizers. Harvesting can help to implement advanced agriculture practices such as precision farming, sensor technologies, and drones can be enhanced the efficiency of harvesting. In terms of process and capacity design is the production capacity in order to meet the changing in their needs of their products. So that's about the process and capacity design. Looking for the managing quality, which make their work measurement productive and efficiency. Managing quality in production is the point of view that must emphasize in the organizations to make their work measurements productive and efficient, like what I mentioned before. Functional business activity in implementing strict quality, which to control procedures and aid in locating and addressing potential food loss source. Loss resulting from spoiling or rejection will be likely if food products are met to the necessary quality standards. Managing quality is the performing quality controls inspection for various stages of productions and scheduling of preparing of food producing food. Informing for the quality management, it will be doing the schedule of preparing of producing food that can help to avoid the wasting of food in their industry. This plan will enable the management of the component to successfully produce the food and consumers demand and reduce the wasting food. Alright, inventory management. Inventory management is to maintain their business activity in terms of efficiencies, and it is to make our business to do the systematic decisions. In inventory management, it will make the organization maintain their business activity in terms of the efficiency, like I mentioned just now, and produce in accordance with demand or the order made, which the organization must find out the needs of consumers to make their cost supply the food in not in the high amounts. And inventory management is to systemizing the food productions, and also second is the food producing production technique. And solution for reducing the waste problem should be set up by the organizations in systemizing food productions based on consumer demands is inventory management. This allows a company to produce goods more cheaply and cuts down on waste. And for the food producing production technique, It is like from the input to the output is the production procedures of transformation process in production goods, and it can ensure that production runs smoothly and perform goods management.
I'm going to talk about the last alternative, which is supply chain management. Supply chain management can play a crucial role in reducing food losses by implementing various strategies and practices at different stages of the supply chain. This involves fostering collaboration and communication among suppliers, producers, distributors, and retailers. Effective communication and collaboration among all stakeholders is in the supply chain, including farmers, processors, distributors, retailers, and consumers, are crucial for minimizing food losses. Next, demand planning. Demand planning is a collaboration that enables stakeholders to work together to accurately forecast and plan demand. By sharing market insights, historical data, and customer feedback, supply chain partners can collaboratively determine the required quantity and timing of food production, procurement, and distribution. This helps prevent overproduction or underproduction, reducing the chance of excess food ending up as a waste.
In conclusion, in order to achieve zero hunger, operation management needs to be applied as it plays a really crucial role to ensure efficiency in the usage of goods. Process and capacity, quality management, inventory management, supply chain management, maintenance, and the design of goods and services are some of the critical operation management activities that helps in the process of ending food waste. To conclude, the 10 critical decisions in operation management will result in a much better output as it enhances efficiency, improves quality, and gives a more strategic decision. By applying these factors, the aim to achieve zero hunger can totally be achieved.